One of the nice features of the John Deere equipment is the design and engineering features that they have plugged into these machines that make them easy to use. Welcome back. Today we're going to go over the John Deere Z530M zero turn. This one is equipped with a mulch control system and it's equipped with a striping kit. This is about to go out to a customer, so I wanted to show this machine to you before it went out the door. Got some nice caster wheels attached to this wonderful powder-coated frame. It is nice, thick, robust frame. Again, John Deere is gonna last, so they're gonna offer a good warranty on this machine. You're gonna get a 4-year warranty up to 300 hours on this guy. You see the nice cutouts here. What are these cutouts for? Well, those cutouts are for LED lights. So if I'm gonna operate this machine at night, I have the ability to add those lights, and there's a plug and play wiring harness that I could add to that. I've got this great footwell compartment that gives me great access to the top of the deck. Speaking of the deck, this one's outfitted with a 54-inch deck. This is a 10-gauge steel deck on this machine. Gonna give you a great cut quality. It's gonna have maximum cut, so it's got really fast blade speed, and additionally, it's got a washout port on it. So deck adjustment is a pin system on this machine. So I'll just show you that really quick. I can go ahead and take the pressure off the deck and I can adjust the pins and press on my deck release button and that will go down into the configuration I want it. So I've got 1 inch all the way up to 4 inches in 1/4 inch increments. And then I've got a nice lockout feature too as well, so I can lock that deck up to the highest position if I'm transporting the machine. Right off to my right-hand side, I'm gonna have an hour meter, as well as I'm going to have my fuel gauge right there. As you'll notice in the front, I've got a great visual of the fuel because it is a clear tank up in the front, but I've got a fuel gauge on there as well. I've got a pop switch so I can engage my blade, so PTO engagement. And then something I'm pretty familiar with is our choke and throttle lever all combined into one. Those choke and throttle levers control that 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine. Great, great engine. It is a lot of power in there. It is easy to maintain. I've got access. Okay, one of the things I love about my zero turns is I've got great access to all of the easy to change filters. I can put oil in it very simply. I've got easy access to my air filter. Again, that wonderful open compartment that I have on my engine is a blessing. On this left-hand side, I've got a great large opening with not one, but 2 cup holders on this unit. Come over here again, I've got my fuel, so easy to access fuel, 3-inch opening on that cap, 4.5 gallons worth of capacity on the fuel tank. So that's also great. Integrated in here on this left-hand side, I've got a deck leveling kit as well. So if I needed to adjust any of my deck level, I have the ability to do that. That in conjunction with my book gives me those specs that I'm looking for. Coming around here to the back side, I do have the ability to add a tow hitch because this is an M model. Again, we got E's, M's, and R's. This one doesn't come right out of the factory with that tow hitch, but I have the ability to add it. Additionally, I can add bagging systems to this unit, and this one obviously is outfitted with that mulch control system. I've got the rollover protection system that's built in. This in conjunction with my safety belt will keep me protected if I get on some uneven terrain. I do have the ability, because these are spring loaded, I can pull these tabs and I can move this back. So if I was going under some large apple trees or something like that, not to say that I've done that, it won't smack those apple trees and give you a nice wheelie. Let's talk about the seat and comfort on this. 20-inch high back seat. As you notice, when I get into this thing, it kind of slides back into it. That's because it is equipped with ComfortGlide. M means a step above that E. You're going to get the ComfortGlide seat. I do have the ability to turn that ComfortGlide seat on and off, so I don't have to have ComfortGlide. I can lock it in. But man, I do prefer that ComfortGlide seat on this machine. So great option on there. You're gonna get about 8 miles an hour of traveling and mowing speed out of this unit. So again, one of those things that takes the zero turns to that next level is the speed of mowing. I have the ability to go about 4 miles an hour in reverse. I hope you've enjoyed this brief overview of the Z530M riding zero turn. It's a great machine. Hi, my name is Jason Hughes. I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. I'm also a large property owner and own a lot of the equipment that you see featured in these videos. I hope you find this content helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below.